Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do an unboxing, basically a briefcase unboxing, and you guys already know what it is from the title. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a special edition unboxing from UAG. Big shout out to them for actually sending this out to me. And they put in this nice little casing here. I didn't even know that I was going to get this in the mail, but big shout out to them. So let's do this like the $1 Million Man status. And let's see what's inside the briefcase. Pop it open. And let's see what I'm talking about. So, here we go. So we got the nice little suede on the inside here. So this is their new series case called the Civilian case from Urban Armor Gear. Big shout out to them for actually sending this out to me. And they did do a nice little presentation here of a person holding the case. And this is top secret. So you guys got to follow this guy. If you guys see him on the street, let him know that we're watching him. Just kidding. Alright, so here's the case itself. Well, here's another strip right here. It's like the old school style when we used to take pictures with the rolls, but this is the Civilian series case right here. And it looks like they gave me the same size, so they have two iPhone 11 cases. So I don't have an iPhone, a iPhone 11 Pro cases. But the good part about it is that they send me the 11 Pro Max in a different case. So we do have the regular packaging right here if you guys are interested as well. So this is the case itself. You do have the logo for Urban Armor Gear there. They do have a spread out. Urban Armor Gear, UAG, right there across and going down. Pretty dope. And on the inside you do have the UAG logo right there on the bottom. Military Standard A10G 516.6 right over here. So that's what you get inside the briefcase itself, but let's go to the regular packaging right here. So we got the Civilian, so let's close this up, put that to the side real quick. Alright, so let's just pop this baby open, see what it looks like. Alright, so here's what it says in the back if you guys are interested. Shock absorbent soft core, impact resistant bumpers, feather light armor shell. 1 year warranty. And that's what it says on the bottom as well. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like one more time. Alright, so you guys let me know what you guys think about it. See how it looks. The lip action up front, very minimal. And for the front, it's there as well. So you definitely can lay this down without no problems. I like this wallpaper here. Shout out to Six still. Alright, so you definitely get lip action all around. That's the one thing with UAG, they never miss out when it comes to lip action. As far as the button, it is pretty clicky. And you have your access to the mirror and toggle switch, no problem. And on the bottom, it's a nice little cutouts as well. So everything looks absolutely perfect. So there you go. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit over the thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of UAG products and more tech to come. And it does have a nice matte feel on it, by the way. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. UAG. It's pretty nice. It's really different. Later.